Eyes that see the living and the lost. In the hush of the ancient wood, where the old gods breathe in stone, night watchers rise from living ash, shaped by hand and will alone. Hear the hidden path, feathers forged by fire and time, eyes that cut through worlds unseen, one of earth and one of night, bound to realms that lie between. Hear the runes beneath, hear the spirits rise. Owls of two realms, silent in their knowing, tawny flame and silver sight, through the cold winds blowing. Owls of two realms, bound to myth and memory, guiding souls with steady gaze across the world's great boundary. Guardians of dusk, eyes of the night, tawny keeper of the hearth, warm as embers in the pine, long-eared watcher of the dusk, cold as moonlight on the shrine. Hear the oath unbroken, carved from timber, shaped by hand, yet stirred by spirits of the north. Two guardians rise where shadows fall, calling ancient wisdom forth. Eyes that follow where the spirit now walks, roots whisper, rooms awake. Owls of two realms, silent in their knowing, tawny flame and silver sight, through the cold winds blowing. Owls of two realms, bound to myth and memory, guiding souls with steady gaze across the world's great boundary. Feathers of fate, wings of the unseen, hear the runes beneath the bark, feel the weight of ages past. In every cut a spirit wakes, in every feather spells are cast. I speak for the shadows, and the shadows obey. Owls of two realms, watching from the old tree, born of ash and sacred craft, holding keys to what will be. Owls of two realms, guardians of the twilight, tawny earth and spirit night, joined as one in ancient rite. Spirit answers, twilight speaks. Two realms, two owl, earth calls, shadow stir. Two realms, two owls, guardians of the unseen. Two shadow, one fate, silent watchers, ancient eyes. Oh, rise again, oh, ancient flame. Oh, watch us stand, oh, skin line remains. Night is listening, old gods stir, ash remembers, oath holds true.